Alright, so today I'll be demoing eyeDoctor, my fourth year engineering design capstone project. eyeDoctor is a electronic medical record system for a local optometry office. I'll just start, compile and run it really quick. Splash screen with our group name and a product, and login screen. Pretty simple login screen. Type in username and password, type some gibberish, get password failed, type in the right password, and we're in. Starts with a launch pad here, kind of a main menu showing the list of your appointments for today, presently empty, and then some options above based on kind of permission level. We're logged in as a doctor super user, so they've got access to patient records, appointments, and system admin. For the system administrator to start, you can see kind of a list of users. It gives you some options to add and edit some users as well. If disable them, we chose not to allow the user to delete users, simply because when we're looking at medical records, we always want to keep a record of who done what and what's going on. So people get disabled, moved into a disabled table in our database. Move back to the main menu. We've got the appointment manager. Shows a list of appointments for a logged in doctor. You can see we can kind of switch between doctors or switch the date. We can print our schedule. Don't want to waste ink. Close. Goes back to the main menu. It's kind of a list of appointments from 8 in the morning till 6 at night, which is just something in our setup we've set as our daily schedule. Just kind of click anywhere. Today, 8:30. You can see I've set up a test patient. I'll just set up a couple appointments here. Pretty easy, just one click. I've got some patient searching. Can't really show you much. But I guess if I test it for something that's not part of test here, you can get them. Searching it for test. Set up a couple more appointments for test, and close the patient or the appointment manager. Bring up the patient manager here. You've seen this screen before, so we can kind of add some patients. Added myself. Just the required fields, and let's see, born yesterday. That's a big fake health card number. Alright, so he's been added to the list, and you can see I can kind of filter down here, search for John. Oh. Right, case sensitive. Should probably fix that for the final version. And you see back in the main menu, those appointments we've built earlier are there. So the doctor logs in, clicks on appointment, brings up his medical form. This is for use of the tablet PC. You can see you can just kind of write in the fields. My writing sucks, but you kind of get the gist of it. I think that's an S, not an 8. The version running on our actual tablet, we kind of set these fields up to recognize numbers, but I don't have those drivers on my computer. You can see some of the parameters we put in from the previous screen show up here. Just switch between tabs. You can write whatever you want. See up here, it'll recognize as cloudy. Draw a big smiley face. Pretty much anything you write will be saved. Just click save and exit. Bring that back up again. You can see everything we wrote previously. We also have features where you can take a look at all the exams form for tests. Oops, wrong button. You can see one I did earlier on, where I drew a rocket ship. Here you can see you can just switch in between the written and the interpreted data. We also have a feature here we can export. these patients. The patient data is then encrypted for a particular doctor. You can see here I've got a list of doctors on file. We've got John Smith, Jane Smith. We can encrypt this file for Jane. Save it. Then we could also encrypt it for John. Save it. And then when we're looking to import patient information, remember we logged in as John Smith, so if we open up Jane's exam form, get a little error message here, exam form cannot be decrypted. If we import for John, we'll get the written form here. If you see it close down and reboot the software, can log in as Jane again. Visual Studio is a little slow. Log in as Jane. You'll see she doesn't have any appointments today. We'll go to import that exam form for John. Get the same error. It cannot be decrypted. And open up Jane's form. Sent by John, encrypted for Jane. And you'll see exactly what he wrote. So this is just an early demo of our final project. We've got a couple weeks more to fix a couple bugs and add a little more features. So thanks.